We connect you with a caregiver, grower, and then you make your own arrangements for the medicine.
Right, that's network.
As soon as I see your doctor's authorization.
Okay. Not in the strictest sense of the word, a doctor. It's more alternative treatment, experimental stuff.
Rules, dear, if I don't see the consent signed by a physician licensed in the state. There it is.
What?
In your shoes. Those look like my size.
Are you serious?
I really like shoes.
Hello,
Hi, Laura sent me.
Natalie.
Fiona, the Titan is burning. Save the oil. Fuels our van. Pain in the ass to collect, but Gaia thanks us.
Go green.
You got cash?
I'm thinking this is the down payment with a little more product on consignment.
Here you get what you pay for.
Please. As one sister to another. I'm really good at moving product. I could be your biggest customer.
Except you're not my sister, and we're not wholesalers. We sell for personal use only.
Oh, you don't keep your trimmings.
We used to use them for compost. Turns out they are bad for the beetroot. For anyone who eats